The Ascent Trainer is a cardio machine that can improve your cardiovascular fitness, strengthen your lower body muscles, and enhance overall endurance. Although it looks similar to the elliptical machine, the handles of the Ascent Trainer are fixed, therefore mainly focusing the workout on targeting the lower body. The other main difference is the Ascent Trainer allows you to raise the incline of each step, thus mimicking running up stadium stairs. You can also increase the resistance of each step. Here's how to use it correctly. While holding the side handrails, step up and securely position both feet onto the pedals. Change the resistance and incline of the steps on the console to suit your fitness needs. Begin by pushing down with one foot while allowing the other pedal to rise. As you push down, engage your glutes, hamstrings, and calves. Alternate legs in a smooth, controlled motion. Use the handles to stabilize your body while keeping your posture straight with shoulders back and core engaged throughout the exercise. Keep your breathing steady and continue for the duration as indicated in your workout program. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.